All right, so I'm not even gonna do the intro. She's gonna do the intro because it's not my video today. It is legit not my video. It is her video today. So she's not even, look, yep, put her on the spot. Yep, that's what I do. So, all right, this ain't no intro. I'm just saying, surprise coming for you guys. Gotta go to the tire shop. It's not for me. So, yeah, I gotta go to the tire shop. Got some stuff in the back of the truck. I gotta go get mounted. It's not for me, it's for Amber. So, I think y'all gonna like it. Y'all really gonna like it. Alright, so I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see, but they're mounted back here. We got the tires mounted. I'm not gonna show y'all until, well, Amber gets ready to put them on. So that's when y'all get to see. She's already seen them. She likes them. So she's now got, she hasn't seen her wheels and tires, or she has on Snapchat. Well, on Snapchat too, on Facebook Messenger. So she hasn't seen them in person. So when I roll them in here, leave it in the box so we don't lose nothing.
I was looking at him.
Jesus, women, man, women. So she hasn't seen them in person, so she's gonna have the camera, and I'm going to pretty much roll them in here and let her see. Here, she's got the camera now.
Oh, hold on, I gotta close my box.
There you go. I'm gonna go get the wheels. You stay here.
He's so mean to me.
Huh? What?
Nothing. See? Hims is rude to me.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop you fucking lying.
So I'm just gonna steal the show today because, yeah, that's how I do things. Because why not? I spent way too much money on these wheels and tires, so it better be worth it. Cause I ain't trying to pay fucking shitload of money for shitty tires. So he's taking forever. Forever. Yeah. They look so much bigger out there than they did. Do not let it hit the furler. Good God.
That's the rears.
These bitches are huge.
Okay, so this is for a machine, so y'all seeing all this for the first time. Like, y'all don't even know what's going on. But she's now got some 28 by 11 by 14 on ITP Hurricane Outlaw wheels. So she got the 11s in the back and 9.5 in the front.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna finish getting the wheels and tires in, and then well, guess it's gonna be time to do the big reveal then, ain't it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get that started, and I'll pick y'all back up in a second. So, what do you have there?
Hold on. A 2000 Honda Foreman 400.
So yes, I literally put the lift on the Big Bear, and then the next weekend she's traded it. So the Big Bear is no more. But, well, those wheels and tires are going on here. It's already got a 2-inch lift. We took the 450 floorboards off. The obviously the headlights don't work. That's why the light bar is here. Oh Jesus! Flick the light bar. See that? All right, don't flick it again.
I'm not.
So it's got the Bighorn 2s on SS wheels that are bullshit. Like they're junk. But I mean, it needs a little work. Obviously, it's a 20-some-year-old Honda. So what does it not have? And she misses it.
My floorboards? Wait, what?
It is a 20. Let's start this all over again. So you don't even want to know what just happened. So it is a 20-year-old Honda that's in pretty much decent shape, besides missing some push pins and the back rack's a little messed up. But it's a 20-some-year-old Honda. So what does it not have?
Brakes.
Never has brakes. So I put a new brake master cylinder on it. That wasn't the problem. Actually, I think I probably need to add some more brake fluid. So we're gonna try brakes. We're gonna put the new wheels and tires on. So yeah, well, I say we, but I'm doing all the hard work. She's gonna reap the benefits by doing mainly all the work. So we're gonna get started on that. All right, so I done got the front wheel off, got the drum off. As you can see, look at all that. And then look in there. But y'all ain't seen the best part yet, so we were wondering why there's no brakes. Look at that. It's freaking dirt or something. Like, Jesus Christ, that's freaking terrible. So I'm gonna clean this up and Jesus. Sorry, I thought I heard something with the tire. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this up and hopefully she might have some damn brakes. Alright guys, we had some trouble with the brakes, so we're just gonna put the wheels and tires on and we'll figure it out from there. My back is killing me, my legs hurt, I'm aggravated, but we got the new wheels and tires on. And that's what it looks like now. She's just kind of there. She ain't even paying attention. Yeah, so you got 11 wides in the back, and then you got 9.5 wides up front. This thing actually looks like a Honda now. Thing looks like a Honda now. But we couldn't get the brakes figured out, so we just started on the tires. Now we're gonna go to the house. I'm waiting on her so we can do our outro.
You told me I couldn't say what I needed to say.
So, alright. We'll catch y'all next time.
Bye, bitches.
Peace. She straight up fucked it up. It's a 20-year-old Honda. So what does it not have? What does Hondas never have when they're as old as you and Heather's? Okay, so.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe.